Boom! How to create 10 pieces of video content in just an hour. This is what we're gonna see in this video today. So let's go. Boom! So, for those who don't know me, my name is Riley Rile-Sikni. I'm a startup advisor and international consultant engineer. And in this video, we're gonna have a little bit of a kind of a vlog kind of situation where I'm gonna take you to one of my clients because I'm gonna help him create video content. And the challenge that we have is create about 10 to 15 pieces of video content in about an hour. So I'll see if we'll see if that's possible. But spoiler alert, I've done that in the past, so that's definitely something that's going to happen. And so I know what you're probably asking is, okay, but what is a startup advisor doing video content and helping his clients create videos? And so I'm going to answer that question as I'm literally walking to his place so we can do that. Let's go. Boom. Okay, so why a startup advisor is helping his customers create video content? The reason is pretty simple. I've seen these too many times, and one of the biggest mistake that startups, tech or service-based companies make is that they spend months, sometimes years, and a lot of money creating products and services, and after that they run after the sales. And the reason why they're running after sales is because nobody knows they exist. And so with this new era of social media and the simplification of content creation, especially video content creation, you can start building acquisition. You can start making people know that you exist by saying it, by putting yourself out there, creating content. And so it's really essential that you invest a lot of time into your marketing and your communication to let people know you exist, let people know your products exist, so that once you have something to sell, then your distribution is in place and you can speed up the sales. And so that's why it's super, super important to create content. So now I'm looking for where this guy lives so that I can knock on the right door without having myself just overrun by a car. So stay tuned. And the other thing that is really, really important, it came out from a Google research, is what we call the Google 7-11-4 rule. And that states that in order for people to go and purchase something from you, they need to go through the 7-11-4 process. And so what it means is that, what is the 7? 7 is 7 hours of being radiated by your content. So people need to see, hear, watch 7 hours of you talking, presenting what you do, telling them who you are, so that they can sort of create a connection in order to purchase from you. And that's also why it's very, very important to start creating content, because you want to build up those 7 hours of content. And keep in mind, if you're building short videos like shorts, these are 1 minute videos. And so 7 hours of content in forms of shorts is going to represent a lot of content. So you need to get it out there. And that is super important to have in mind. Next. Boom. Okay, and we are in the place where we're going to shoot a couple of videos, but I need to introduce you to the email dude. Simon?
Oh, is that me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
that's actually me.
You're the email dude?
Welcome to my place.
Yes, and welcome to my vlog. Apparently I'm doing vlogs now. And so we got to work together and create as many videos as possible in the short amount of time. And I want to do a little thing here, because I want to make sure they sort of forget that you're the email dude. So I got you the Men in Black.
Like in the school community, you always put
Yeah.
sunglasses on my picture.
Exactly. But this time we're going to Men in Black this thing out. So sorry guys, you need to forget all of that. Boom. Okay, so we are going to shoot different types of content. One type will be him sitting at his desk and with a vertical kind of frame, just perfect for social media. And we do a couple of videos like that. And then after that, we're going to shoot the same content of video, but in different settings. So probably him walking in his apartment, here on the balcony, or maybe in the streets and these kind of things. And so by doing this, we'll be able to make two or three times the same kind of video with a different setting. So this will help us sort of multiply the type of content. So that's the really first thing that you guys can do is multiply the types of video by just changing the settings. And the second thing is, obviously, as you noticed, is I'm here to help him. And so the first thing, the sort of first hack to make a lot of videos in a short amount of time is find a buddy who's going to help you film, who's going to help you with the script and stuff like that. So find a friend who can help you do that. And then secondly, try to shoot the same kind of videos in just in a different environment. Let's go. Boom. So we are about to shoot a couple of videos, and let me show you a little bit of the setup. So here we have where the amazing Simon is going to sit. I'm going to shoot with the phone here. We have
Look at
short.
Look at this.
we have the camera here. And so what we're going to do is that we're going to shoot a couple of videos with this exact same format. So we're going to do maybe 10, 15 videos in that particular format. Simon is going to look at me, so it's going to look way more natural because he's going to talk to me, and so that we can have like a normal conversation. And after that, we'll see if we can create the same kind of videos in a slightly different format. So, well, if you want to know what it's going to look like, follow this guy and check his videos. But now we have to shoot. Boom. 15 minutes and already 6 videos recorded. Stay tuned. Boom, guys. Simon just confirmed me we reached that number 10th video.
It's already been 10. It's already been 10. That's crazy.
10 videos in 45 minutes. We shot 10 pieces of video content in 45 minutes. So we're gonna just gonna get extra stuff done and see how far we can go from that. So you see, get a buddy.
Stop overthinking it. Stop overthinking it.
Stop overthinking it. Get a buddy and just shoot videos. Let's go. Boom. So now we're gonna shoot extra videos. We still have like 5 minutes left, but we blew up the record. But we're gonna shoot a couple more videos. I'm gonna show you how the setup works. So let's go. Boom! Guys, we just finished our session. I think we spent about 2 hours, 2 hours and a half shooting videos. And you know what? Let me just show you on his phone what we did. Can you scroll a little bit to...
This is kind of crazy, honestly. I think we have like 19 videos in 2 hours. And the concepts are really good.
Yeah, so we made a mix of serious videos sitting at his desk, giving away pure value on email marketing, and then we decided to shoot a couple of funnier videos that still provides value, just to show a little bit his personality, because he's a funny guy and not just a killer email marketing guys. And we compiled everything into those short videos. Every video is between 30 to 90 seconds. I think that's the most.
Pretty much, yeah.
Yeah, pretty much, right? And covering as many topics as possible in email marketing. And all we needed was his phone here and a couple of mics. So here I'm using like those portable mics. We also have like the podcast mic, but if you just have like those small microphones, you can find them anywhere very cheaply, and you'll get really, really good sound quality.
Just being in front of a window, we have amazing natural light. So
Yeah.
I don't know if you can see on the videos, like everything's just, we didn't have any artificial light. It's just really, really clear. We were in front of my window, so definitely a good tip to remember. Excellent.
Yes, exactly. You don't need that much setup to get those videos out. And with, let's say we have about 20 videos, if Simon publishes one video a week, he can last 20 weeks, and there are 52 weeks in a year. So that's a lot of content. But maybe with 20 videos, we can actually do 2 videos a week, and that's 10 straight weeks. So that's about 2 months and a half. So you're fully covered. And it took us like what? 2-3 hours max. Probably add an extra hour or two just to like clear a little bit the videos, but that's half a day of work, 2 people, and you're good. So that's how you can sort of create content in a very short amount of time.
If you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. I think you start understand this comment down below thing.
Yeah, exactly. And if I might add, it was a lot of fun. So if you can find someone and just do it with someone, it's really fun.
Yeah, we actually have a couple of bloopers video that we completely failed, but that was so funny that we're gonna keep these things, and I think you're gonna publish them.
Yeah, it's gonna be funny.
It's gonna be funny, and so
even when I fail, it's awesome. So
Yeah, exactly, and that's part of the human nature. We're not perfect, so we fail sometimes, and so yeah, find a buddy, get your phone, eventually buy like a small microphone. But we did some testing with our microphone; it was actually okay. And prepare the video, the list of the videos, the video ideas. We drafted like a quick Google document, and we try to sort of brainstorm for about an hour to identify as many video ideas that we could, and we just took the list and did a video check, and get it done.
Yeah, and I think we brainstormed like 100 ideas in an hour last time we did our
call.
So
And
we have so many much more coming our way. So
exactly, so we have so much more content that we can shoot next time and do it again. And so we probably try to do that maybe once a month or once every other month. We'll replicate this and do more videos and just get our list and complete what's done. I hope you guys like this session. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions or if you have any struggles around making videos, finding a buddy. Maybe like find a buddy in the comments down below. And that's it for today. But until next time, boom. En plus, ça explique une vidéo pour cette semaine. Parfait.
There you go.